Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures on your JBL Quantum 360X. And let's start with the first wheel. This is chat game volume. So if you wanna increase the volume for the game, just move up to this gamepad icon. And if you wanna increase volume for the chat, just move down. Right here we have this human icon, so just move it down. Next one, we have volume control wheel. So to increase it, just move up to the plus, and to lower it, just move down to the minus. Next one, we have mute and mute. So to mute the microphone, press on it, and to unmute it, also press. And the last one, what we have is power button, and also its connectional button actually. So slide down to turn off your headphones, slide up to turn on it, slide up and hold to enter Bluetooth, to enter prank mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.